What's up, everybody? It is your girl Glenda, and we are back with another video. Now, as I always tell you, if you want to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you're updated every time we upload a new video. Now, I know the burning question, what you cooking, Glenda? I'll tell you. I'm fixing the easiest banana pudding ever. Okay? Now, this is not my recipe. This recipe belongs to Monica from meechandmonica. You'll probably see a little screen shot of them right there. So I cannot take ownership, but it absolutely is the easiest banana pudding you will ever make. And y'all gonna be running to get these ingredients. You saw the ingredients in the beginning. I'm gonna run back over them one more time for you. We got some vanilla wafers. These are the mini wafers because this is all my store had. But so to kind of make up for that, I purchased these right here because they're more full and they're not small. So we're just gonna mix them up, make it do what it do. Some Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk, some regular whole milk, some Cool Whip, and vanilla flavoring. Also your bananas, of course. So let's get started with this video. Okay, so you can use whatever pan you want. I'm using this foil pan. It's just a little half sheet foil pan. And all we're gonna do is go in and cut up the bananas to your desired width, I guess, whatever size. And I've got 3 bananas here. I'll check it out and see here in a minute if I'm gonna need any more. But anyway, how y'all been doing? Make sure y'all comment below. Let me know if this is something that you've made before in this fashion. Because we've made banana pudding, but we always take the time to layer everything out, let the pudding get nice and thick in consistency before we pour it over. And it's just like a whole little drawn out to do. Not today. We have figured it out. We have cracked the code on banana pudding. We have cracked the code. Get off. I'm starting off with 3 bananas, y'all. If I need more, I'm gonna put more. So how many of y'all out there like banana pudding but don't like the bananas? Comment below if you just like the pudding and not the bananas. And y'all know what I forgot to include in this? Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. This is what we forgot to put in the panel, you guys. What we need to make a banana pudding. I'm using French vanilla. You can use whatever you want, but that's what I'm using. So I have opened up these little mini vanilla wafers, and I'm just gonna toss this around and just mix this up. Then you can kind of gauge if you need some more bananas or some more cookies, which I am going to include more bananas and more cookies into this right here. So I'm going to probably cut up 2 more bananas and add some of those other vanilla wafers. And then we're going to get going on our pudding mix. And for best results, we're going to put this in the refrigerator overnight. But you want to just make sure that your pudding thickens up for you. Curse, do you like banana pudding without the bananas? I think that's Devontae. Devontae like that.
Yeah. I'll eat them both.
Without the bananas. I think your brother like that too. He'll eat them both. All right. That thing is full of bananas. Bananas. Let's include, I hope I don't have to switch containers, make a different container, because this definitely is pretty full. All right, so there's our cookies, there's our bananas. I have, let's just mix them through. Sorry for the lighting, everybody. We're going to put these to the side and get started on the next step. So you guys, I'm just adding in the package of French vanilla. And the next thing I'm going to be adding in is the cold milk, and along with this sweetened condensed milk, the Cool Whip, and the vanilla flavoring.
Filled up my lungs with ecstasy. I can't believe we were so young, maybe 20-something. We were living in a fantasy. I knew right from the start you were the other half of my heart. The other half of my heart. Wanna be so the other half of my heart. Wanna be so yeah, yeah. Wanna be so you make me wanna be something more.
What's up, y'all? It is the next day, and we are back with the taste test of the, I'm gonna call it that dump and go banana pudding. So yeah, let me turn the camera around so y'all can see how delicious this looks, okay? Look, y'all. OMG. Look at that. It is so nice and creamy. Y'all know I got me like a little bowl over here because I'm going to do a taste test for y'all. But look at that. Absolutely divine. All I'm going to say is Monica from Meech and Monica. I have a new way of making my banana pudding. Y'all, I tasted that feeling a little bit yesterday. Leftover that was in the bowl. And OMG, it was the bomb. So, I'm going to come back real quick. I'm going to do a taste test with y'all. But there it is, y'all. This sat in the refrigerator overnight. All right, so let me I'm about to try this banana pudding right quick, okay? Y'all see that? That deliciousness, all of them cookies, baby. Yes. We going in for a taste test. Let me tell you something. Y'all already know when I say, let me tell y'all something. This is absolutely delicious. Y'all already know when I say that, it's about to be good. This right here, let me show y'all. Lord have mercy. Dump and go. Baby, listen. Ain't no more layering for me. It's the dump and go for your girl. It's the dump and go for me. This right here, I can't even play with y'all. It's the bomb. Definitely the bomb. Listen, I thank each and every last one of y'all for being a part of the G Squad, our G Squad family, G Squad up. And I appreciate all of your comments. Thank y'all for trying out these recipes. And again, thank you for being just being, y'all. Just being. Thank you. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all try this recipe. Make sure if you want to see new content, more content like this, I'm gonna get it together. Hit that thumbs up button. Give your girl a thumbs up because we kicking out these videos, okay? Click the subscribe button if you hadn't subscribed. And make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you are updated every time we upload a new video. I'm going to see y'all later. I'm going to finish this right here. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Monica. Yep. I just got a little taste. It's gone though. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.